Hello and welcome to the online English classes. So today we will be doing the summary form of the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. So the summary of the chapter goes like this. Murad and Aram are two poor Armenian boys aged 13 and 9 years. So both are known to be belonging to the Gargolian tribe, which is known for its pride and honesty. So though it is poverty stricken, though the tribe is completely ridden of poverty, they are completely poor people, but still there is lot of pride and honesty in these people. So one day what happens is Murad and Aram both had an intense longing for riding the horse, and they go against their tribe's pride and honesty, and they prefer riding a stolen horse. So Aram, he was unable to understand how Murad got that beautiful white horse, and they steal the horse and they start riding the horse every day. So Murad Aram is very younger in age, and he is not able to understand why Murad is he's so crazy, and he even goes to the extent of stealing a horse. So he is considered Murad is considered as a crazy person who seems to be the descendant of Khusro, their uncle Khusro, who is completely like him. Uncle Khusro, then they introduce Uncle Khusro, who is a big and powerful man and a very impatient man. He does not allow anyone to speak and shout in front of him. He is very aggressive man. So Murad and now he is quite similar to Murad, because he also intensely he steals the horse, and he is very confident about it, and he doesn't want anybody to say anything to him. So one day, now both Aram and Murad, they start riding the horse, and they are not able. One day they are not able to control the horse. So the horse brings them to the house of John Brio, and who is the actual owner of the horse. So now when John Biro he examines a horse, he says that this seems like exactly like his own horse, and then he just says that he is completely identical to the one he has lost. And the boys now, they just became panicked, and they just are tensed. And what they do is, they never but he never but when John Biro, he never suspects the boys to have stolen the horse, so he lets them go. So the boys return the horse next day quietly by taking it to John Byro's place. Perhaps they felt guilty, and they did not want to bring any shame on their family. Next morning, John Byro visited Aram's parents to tell of the great miracle that his stolen horse returned back and came back, and he was very happy about it, and he is unable to understand the circumstances. So, children, this is the story of the summer of the beautiful white horse. Thank you.